What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing alright. It's a wonderful morning. We've got a short week this week coming up because of the Jubilee. I'm very happy about it. I hope you're all getting some time off over this bank holiday. You deserve it. I think it is a little bit unfair on retail, as obviously it makes pretty much no difference to them whether it's a bank holiday or not. I've been there, I've done it, the retail slog. We're back on the FZ6 Fazer 600. She's doing alright. Yesterday we had a bit of a problem after yesterday's video went up. As I got to the bottom of the hill, engine just cut randomly. I wasn't doing anything weird, I was just 30 mile an hour, like sort of cruising down the hill, and engine cut out. I believe it was due to the kill switch, because they're shit on these bikes. It's like a very common problem apparently, even though it took me a while to find it on the Yamaha forums. They're not very well made, they're not sealed at all, so it's a they just get fucking weathered on and then they break. Get whatever dirt, shit, water, all sorts of stuff in them, and then it thinks that you're hitting the kill switch when you're really not. So I've got some contact cleaner. I took it all apart again yesterday. Give it a spray off with some contact cleaner, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it's gonna sort us out. Oh, fuck it out. Did it just do it then? It might just did it then. But yeah, it's just a bit sketcy, because you lose your power in a corner, and you're really going to notice that, because the bike wants to drop instead of drive you around the corner. And I took it apart and it's been fine for about a month. And then I had a lot of rain yesterday on my bike with no cover, and I think that set it off again. But I don't know, I'm trying to prevent it before it... I need to buy a cover for my work, really. Why did you do that? I don't want to overtake before a corner, do I? I mean, it was nice of them to offer to let me go. About a month ago or so, where someone on their bike came off because of the slow signs on the floor there. And they had a bit of a collision with the car on the other side of the road, and I believe that it was pretty bad. So the bike slipped out, they went onto the other side of the road, which is bad. I've not slipped on a white line yet. I've slipped a little bit on the fuel on my rear wheel. I've had... What else have I had? Oh! Bike just cut out on me. Have to take it apart in a minute a bit more thoroughly and give it a clean, because that's really annoying. It's got to be the kill switch. So when it happens, I just lose all throttle, engine stops, I just have to bang the kill switch and start it again. It's fucking annoying. Could be quite dangerous as well. I've been watching the highlights of the Isle of Man TT recently, today, because it was warm up yesterday, I think, and there's been some runs. There were some runs yesterday. I saw did Roy McGuinness? He did a run yesterday on the Fireblade CBR. That looked mega. I mean, it is mega. They're fucking absolutely crazy boys. It's so fast. And so dangerous, man. Going around with all those walls and shit everywhere, and houses and people as well. I think being a spectator there is almost as dangerous. If someone comes off, you're going to get a, what, a 300 kilogram race bike coming at you at about 180 mile an hour. You're going to feel that. Oh, it smells like burning. It's not me, it's bonfire-y. Bonfire. Hey! There it goes. So that car in first gear then. At almost idle. And it wasn't a stall. So the throttle just held slightly on. But yeah, thanks for tuning in to Daily Rider. I hope you're enjoying the series. It should be a bit more consistent now. We've got a good setup and a good system working, just about. Hope you enjoy. I hope you have a good day. Leave us a comment below, hit a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching Motor POV, and peace out.